Alpine's best. Welcome in. Sunrise glow, markets in sight, fairways green, futures take flight. Porsche on the road, chasing the day. Alpine leads, we're on our way. Alpine horizon, rising.
Choppy market.
From the charts to the course, we touch the sky. Alpine horizon.
1 minute till the open.
From the charts to the course, we touch the sky.
Good luck, everyone. Got the 820 levels marked out. Some volatility 15 minutes ago. Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right, 20 seconds. Kill the music. Kill the music. Let's focus. Good luck. No way. Copy trader issues. How do I close these accounts? How do I close them? How do I close them? I don't have a way to closing them. Damn it. Here it is. Oh my God. No way. Why does it happen? I know why it happened, because I added stupid Lucid to it. I mean, take profit. Fucking A. Now it's going to be violations. Unbelievable. Well, whatever. This profit's not going to count. I'm going to try to close them out, break even. Fuck, dude. Like, the copy trader just did not work fast enough. But why? Why is that? Why on two accounts? The copy trader did not work fast enough. And it put me long instead of short. I was short and then put me long. Damn, I haven't had this issue in forever. But that's going to be a big problem because of the violations. I mean, I don't know what my 30% drawdown is on these accounts because they're above the buffer, but and these accounts were so healthy. Oh my God, seeing them evaporates painful. Oh, of course, the two healthiest accounts I have as well. Come on. I try to close it, but yeah, these they're gonna be violated. But if I don't make any money, then whatever. But I think my drawdown is it's 50% of your drawdown, and I'm up over $5,000 on these accounts. So it was fine. Fuck. I wasn't not looking. I wanted to close it break even. I was not looking. Damn it, guys. I fucked up so bad. This is the biggest mistake I've made in a long time. If I get saved on these, that's crazy. So again, it's 30% or is it 50% at this point? Because I'm above the buffer. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I just want to get out alive. I'll have to trade over again in 8 days and whatnot, but at least the accounts will survive. It's not my fault. It's copy trader fault. But I'm just waiting freaking for it to be green. Fuck. So easy. So easy of an ORB today. And I got fucked. I feel like it's because I added take profit trader to it. I don't know if that's the reason. I haven't had this issue in so long. And then today I add take profit trader, which has issues at the open, and right away I have issues. And that used to happen to me with Phidias and with take profit trader. So I'm not trading with take profit trader anymore at the open. Not doing it. This is going to cost me 2 accounts. Just pop. My God. To lose on the easiest ORB is just freaking unacceptable. Unacceptable. This is going to dump. It has to dump. It just bounced off 80 like textbook. And I was not quick enough to close it there. Oh man, that's sad. That is absolutely sad. Those are my healthiest Apex accounts, guys. Over $5,000, over 20, 30 days traded. Everything is just thrown to fucking trash. This account was already on 3 payouts. Oh my God, it's so frustrating. When things are out of your control, it's so frustrating. It's frustrating when it's in your control. But when it's out of your control, there's just no way to. It's deflating. It's just like I don't feel like trading anymore today. I might just call it a day. Because I'm just gonna revenge trade and. Oh God. If you're just tuning in, copy trader fucked up and put me long when I was exiting. This has not happened in a very long time. And the reason why it happened, I know it's because I added take profit trader. I know it. And no one's gonna convince me otherwise. I wanted to test take profit trader if it works at the open, and of course. I'm just gonna stick to Apex for the ORB with Lucid. fucking close. Where's not paying attention? So now if I blow it, it's my fault. Well, these profits are not gonna count. They're gonna remove them, so it doesn't matter. Oh, thank God. That was freaking annoying. I don't feel like trading anymore. Yeah, at least the accounts aren't blown, so they're gonna be just on violation. So I'm gonna have to request a full payout on them, and I'm gonna have to trade. I'm basically gonna make the full payout now, from tomorrow, or whatever, whenever the violation is. I think it's sucks. I hate doing that. So to kind of show you guys what happened. So you see how I shorted here and I exited there? Look what happened on this account. It put me long here. It did not put me short, which could happen between other prop firms, but I have not had this happen with Apex. I know the ORB was a super quick trade, but I don't know. I think I blame other prop firm. So I was down. I don't even know how much I was down total. 1,000 times 3, so 3,000. And I have 5,000. So it's 4,500 times 0.3. Yeah, I violated the fuck out of it. Yeah, I skipped my entry and filled my target. Exactly. It's a perfect way to put it. Uh, wow, that was way more stressful than it needed to be. Could have been an easy morning again. Thank you, God, for not blowing my account. I'm not trading take profit trader at the open. And we'll see if this ever happens again. I've had some quick ORBs. I gotta be more careful with the ORB too. The way I place the order, it's like I gotta be a little bit more down. I'm faster to press the button. But yeah, they're gonna remove those profits. I'm assuming. All right. So I have 2 accounts pending for a payout, so 3,500 payout, and then we're gonna trade the other accounts. At least I traded my Lucid for 971. Hopefully, we could get a payout with that soon. Enough. We passed one Apex eval. All right, that's good. So the eval worked. Everything worked except those 2 accounts. So weird. Oh. The target order should not be active until no, that's not how copy trading works. Copy trading is following the main account, the leader account. It does not know there's no position. The sell order is not getting out of a position. A sell order is to either go short if you don't have a position, Or if you're buying to cover a short, you're entering long instead of getting out of a short, right? So it doesn't know. But I just took off 2 years of my life. I need to have, I could not find this either. This. I need to have this. I haven't had copy trading issues, so I haven't had this window easily accessible. It was hidden. So I could not even close it till I, if I closed it here, I think I would have been maybe okay. But you know how many times I violated? There's gonna be like 20 pings of violations probably. The amount of times it went up and down, up and down. Not proud of it, but at least it was copy traded issues. So, but that's how quickly it could all end. That's what sucks. Those were my best two accounts. Well, not the best two, but they were in the top. Like now they're over 5,000. So they were at 5,400. So, you know, they were one of the healthier accounts. Let's focus here. It's gonna probably let me request a payout from them today too, which I won't be able to as well. What doesn't work? Moses. Oh no, it works. That's what I use all the time. I just, when I needed it, I didn't have it open, but I use it all the time. All right, let's focus here. Let's see if we can get some trades. That was very frustrating, but survived. It's not gonna count towards anything, but I'm assuming what's gonna happen is the counter is gonna reset. I'm just gonna have to trade those accounts, which is fine because I'm just of a buffer now. So just gonna have to make the full payout. That's what happens when you have a violation on the account. You're gonna have to get a full payout. You can't take like a $1,000 payout or 500. It's got to be a full payout. Yeah, I don't think it could do it that fast, Sean. I just don't think it could do it that fast. They started doing it earlier this year. As long as you're expecting, like I'm expecting it, so I'm not gonna be mad. I'm just happy the accounts didn't blow. That could have put me on bad tilt. I probably would have had to call it a day. Okay, 420. All right, so 80-20 is kind of working. See if we could get a range going. Lost 1,200. Damn. Yeah, that's what sucks. That happened to me on one of my 50K accounts. I can't get it back up to payout. I was basically at payout and I tried to grow it more, and now it's gone. Now it's below, and I don't even know how much I gotta make. The activation fee should be on the new account should be $99. I'm pretty sure. Might be even 79 on the what a bummer. What an easy ORB that could have been. I swear, I don't know if it's coincidence, but I believe that it's related because of Take Profit Trader. Every time I use a free Rhythmic account, meaning I call it free, but every time I use this login, it messes up the copy trader. I don't know why I believe that, but a prop firm, when they have this instead of having their own, like, how does Take Profit Trader not have their own server? I don't understand. They're one of the biggest prop firms. Freaking Fast Track is still here. What a rip. I hope you guys didn't have any issues. Damn, how you have? Yeah, chart lag is one thing. As long as the level 2 is fine, maybe. I don't know. Maybe we should trade on. Just change it back to 200 second. I wonder if I should trade on the Dom. on this thing. Get level 2 data, and then just easier to see levels. We go long at 80. The only way to avoid is paying for data. How so? How can you pay for data? Or like getting like a live account? I wonder if that would work. I wonder if we could get like a live account with Rhythmic. You use that as your leader, and then everything else copies. That would work. Yeah, you shouldn't have any issues on TRADEIFY. I don't have any issues on Rhythmic except on like Take Profit Trader and I guess Ball Knocks too. Yeah, well, who is this guy? This guy just keeps on coming in here with some quotes. He didn't learn his lesson yesterday. I'm gonna time you out one more time. Time you out one more time. And if you say something one more time like that, then you're gone. Yeah, I wonder if level 2 would help at all. Past 50K with Top Step. Wish me luck. Nice. Well, good luck, sir. That sounds like one of your first funded accounts. It's always a nice feeling. Market's a little bit volatile right now, so I'm gonna sit on the sidelines since I'm still recovering from that ORB trade, which almost costed me 2 accounts. Yeah, gold. Should I trade gold on my Take Profit Trader account? My pro account? Just send it. Come on. Load. Why is it not loading? Yeah, hopefully they don't put you live. But yeah, uncapped on Ball Knox is great. And that shows you've been consistent because it takes forever to do that. Let's see what we can do. But yeah, I don't know why it's. Oh, take profit trader. Sometimes I question it, to be honest. Like, why? Why can't you just load and be nice? Let's go, Sean. That's what we like to hear. It's grinding higher. I don't know. I don't trust it. My God, why is the freaking gold not loading on take profit? Oh my God. I'm getting frustrated. I hope you guys are not stuck short. This is crazy. It's just not. It's not reacting to the levels, so I can't trade it right now the way I want to. So I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna force it. Nah, I can't. I don't have issues with arithmetic. There you go. There's the silver. It's just unbelievable. It just loaded from 9 a.m. That's all it could load. Damn, that one contract is 10 grand right here. That is absolutely insane. I wasn't long and short at the same time. Mila, that's not what happened. When I exited a position, I went long on the other accounts. So there's no violation there. The violation is going to be for the MAE. So it's going to be a violation, just not hedging. Bella, good morning. I unfortunately violated 2 Apex accounts because of copy trader issues. So I'm going to be thrown in jail. Yeah. It was down like 60%. I was one trade from Payal, lost to the tick. Damn, that sucks. That sucks. Can't say I don't believe that. Yeah, at least I didn't blow the accounts, Bella, so could have blown the accounts. So I went, I don't have it. So I went short here and I covered here, but this account did not have the short order. So it put me long here, and then I went down about $1,000 per contract with 3 contracts, and then it bounced eventually. If I would have held all of it for this whole time, I could have made $1 million. But I don't know what's gonna happen. I can't keep up with the rules. I know I'm gonna get the profits removed, and I'm gonna have to trade a new set of days. But other than that, I don't know. I'm just gonna focus on trading the account, and hopefully, I just hope the violation doesn't come like when I'm requesting a payout. So like in a week from now, they're gonna find it. That's the only thing I hope. Hope I get the notice like tomorrow or Monday. Yeah, ORB was super easy this morning. That's what makes it so frustrating. My God, this rhythmic on take profit trader with gold is just not it today. It's broken. We need to take some trades. Get the feet wet. Yeah, I don't mind the full payout thing. That I know. I've done that already once. The full payout I don't mind. And the profit removal I don't mind. As long as like this account is basically what it was this morning, that's all I care. And just let me trade it. It wasn't my fault. I didn't do it. Are we kidding? Are you kidding me? It touched it. The low of that candle is 81.50, and my order's at 81.50. Oh, it's gonna be one of those days. It's gonna be one of those days. Oh God. Well, now I don't want this trade anymore. Yeah, the RAM prices are crazy, I hear. I got lucky with my computer. Wonder how much my computer would cost now. I think I could find it. I got my computer for a steal of a price when I did. Okay, it's this. Well, yeah. Actually, it's not that much more. I have this computer. This is my computer, basically. But they also have this one. This is a beast as well. And it's only 2800. It's the same. It's just a little bit different processor. But it should be. 16 gigs of RAM should be enough for QUANTOWER. I don't think it's that. I think what platform are you using, TP? And Clyde or Vink? Vink actually said 16 gigs is not enough. It's gotta be enough. Oh, bounced again. He bounced again, but I would have need actually no, yeah, would have been fine. I didn't take it. I'm just nervous. Need to take that first trade, get it out of the way. Nice little channel between 520 and 480. Yeah. For me, it's my. I have way too many tabs open on my browser. For me, no. For me, Discord takes more memory. For me, this is QUANTOWER, and then Discord takes more, and then my browser takes the most. Because I have probably a million tabs open. Damn, RB has been so good. Tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is gonna be ORB only stream. I am going golfing tomorrow, so I am not gonna stream besides. So I'm gonna try to get on at 9 o'clock, just so we stream for half an hour before the open. Um, Okay, let's see. 480 retest. I don't know if I'm going to take that. Yeah, I would love to take gold on my take profit trader account, just get it over buffer. But I know as soon as I enter, it's gonna be chop. Did we just take it? All right, we got. Oh, oh my god! I took on the wrong account. It's not gonna count. I blame Bella. Of course, it was a winning trade too. At least we got a trade out of the way. That's not even gonna count. Oh man, that sucks. Almighty, yeah, you told me already. You forget? You're still so upset that you forgot you told me. That sucks though. To a tick. But what happened to the accounts? One loss. Don't tell me one loss erased the whole account. Oh my God, Miss K. Miss K in the gutter. Miss K with the dad jokes. Is this the TBM show? How many likes do we need to get to get a dad joke? Imagine. How is your trading, Miss K? Let's talk about that. How has your trading been? You never talk about your trading. And I want to know. We might do a giveaway today because tomorrow's going to be a very short stream. Tomorrow I'm going to just do the ORB and that's it. Playing golf pretty early. My brother's birthday was yesterday, so we're playing golf tomorrow. I'm going to try long at 420. Got some support here. Gold is rolling over. Yeah, we're playing 3 rounds this weekend. We might scramble 1 round. He's better than me. He's a very good athlete, so he picked it up very fast. All right, 420. Let's see. Can we test it? Miss K, you're so bad. You are so bad. Yeah. Putting has been pretty good for me. But his putter is supposed to come in. He tested my putter and he got his own. He got a different version, so I'm gonna see how his is. Maybe I'll order that one. But the Timo putter is actually phenomenal. For 70 bucks. No, I have a lab putter, Timo version. I have an Odyssey one as well. This is the putter I have. $88. But I wish I got this one instead. Yep, Timo Lab, freaking phenomenal. But it's not. Timo Lab is more like this one. This is like actual replica. Mine is actually a different name. So you could tell it apart easily. But it's crazy how straight. It's just the concept of the zero torque. I sunk in like a 20-foot putter. I mean, a 20-foot putt for a par. One of my first putts with it. I was like, yes. Can't make this up. But the shaft is like cheap, so it's getting scratched. It's not even like chrome or black. It's just like painted silver. I got a stop order at, see if it bounces back through 20. Does not look like it wants to, but let's see. Okay, we're in. No, it's not holding. I'm gonna try again at 380. Wait, no, 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 don't do that. Oh no, you can't be serious. I don't want to retake it and take a second loss. I'd rather just be patient. Where did I go skiing? Vermont in what was it called? Smugglers. It's a nice family resort. You get a house and stuff there. Oh no, it's gonna bounce. Please don't bounce, but I think it will. Think it will. Oof, give me signs. Give me one more sign that today's not the day and I'm calling it. Give me one more fucking sign. Thank you. Give me one more sign and I'm gonna call it a day before I do something stupid. So, copy trader issue, number one. Number two, I take a first trade of the day on the intraday strategy on the wrong account, the account that violated. So that's going to be erased profit. The trade wins, no problem. Now I take a trade on another account. It loses to a bottom tick, and then it would have won. What else can go wrong today? What else can I do wrong? I live in New Jersey. A bottom tick? Like, are we serious right now? Like, at least go like 10, 15 points below my stop. Oh, so frustrating with this fucking price action. I was scared to re-enter. I should have just re-entered, not be scared. Who gives a crap? I clearly saw that I was holding. Oh man, that just sucks. Yeah, I'm not into fishing. Fishing is definitely a unique hobby that you got to be into. I'm not into boats or anything like that. I'm into cars, track. All right, guys, I might just have to call it a day. Not going. Just got destroyed on that. Gonna be a fucking top tick again. I gotta switch accounts. I can't trade this account anymore. I'm gonna try to make back the losses, which we are not gonna try. 601. I'll do one more trade. If I lose, I'm done. 3 strikes and I'm out. I mean, that was a beautiful fucking long, and I just get bottom ticked. And I just got top ticked. As of right now, I got top ticked out of this one. Oh, it's gonna be a short day. 2 short days in a row. Fuck it. We'll enjoy some practice. Yep. I don't know if I should take this short. No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna wait for one more good setup, and that's it. The volatility is much higher this morning than it usually is, so the stops are just too tight. I thought this was gonna be a nice resistance here, but nope. Market's gonna rip again. I honestly speaking, Douglas, if I was not, I mean, I love trading too much to probably do it, but if I was not streaming, I would trade one trade a day. Like tomorrow, one trade, that's it. My ORB is so good. Majority of the time, there's times where it's not, but majority of the time it's so good that like I don't need to trade more. I just got to be able to handle the copy trading of many accounts. I like to spread out my risk. That's why I would trade more. But when I trade like this, when I have the worst luck ever, like I literally bottom ticked, stop there. I took a trade on an account that's gonna be erase profits. I just have like totally wrong ideas this morning. And bad luck too. I mean, that's just like, why couldn't I lose on the other account? But I'm noticing it. So instead of going on tilt and going crazy, I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna trade today. Today's not the day, right? So like, there's steps to it. Being mad is normal. That's any like, if you watch golf, you watch any sports, the athletes are gonna get pissed off. You know, people think, oh, you're not supposed to be emotional when you're trading. Yeah, That's a bunch of crap. Have I watched TBM's new videos? No, I don't watch trading videos for the most part. I am 10 years into trading. I don't watch. I kind of got burnt out from watching trading videos. I'll watch like once in a while. I'll watch like old school videos, like Oliver Velez type stuff. I'll put on like a recap from Nutty or something, but besides that, I really don't. I consume golf content. Why? What's the videos about? I don't even think I saw any videos. Was it from like the show or something? From the conference? Now, one more trade, guys. We got to win. We got to win. So we got to make the right decision. If I lose, I'm done for the day. And we're going to accept defeat. Of course, this trade probably would work, but. Oh, we also forgot the trade that I got missed by a tick to enter. We also forgot that one. Today's just been a freaking disaster. Got a cross section here, 480. Let's see. Can we get a bounce? Okay, I'm in. Gotta be a winner. If it's a loss, we're done for the day. Well, you guys know the answer to that one. We'll risk 750. All right, guys, that's it. That's all she wrote. So remember, tomorrow I will try to be on at 9 a.m. And we're gonna try to do the ORB, and that's it. Well, we're not gonna try. We're gonna do the ORB, and that's it. That's the plan tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to be on at 9 a.m. So at least we have a half an hour stream. No, because I've traded real stocks, real money capital for the first few years of my trading. So, and I'm also including like, like Robinhood penny stocks. I've been really trading for like 8.5 years or so. Oh yeah, they're all could be relatable. And if you're new to trading, it's crazy how everything's relatable. And you just gotta be real with yourself. I mean, I'm just getting fucking destroyed today with tight stops, which is why I don't like using stops, but gotta use them now. So just having a terrible, terrible day. Lucky to survive one big mistake with copy trading. So look at that. I mean, what else am I supposed to do? Right? There's nothing you could do. You just gotta accept that today is not your day. Move on, walk away instead of tilting. I could be on tilt right now because everything I've done has been right and I'm still losing money. Every single trade I took was a winner, but the stop loss hit before I won. Hey, what else can I do? Use a bigger stop, then if it does, then it's not gonna work. Like then that's when it's gonna fall apart. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Today is not the day, and I'm not gonna damage more accounts. I'll see you guys all tomorrow again, 9 a.m. till 9:32 a.m. 9:35. We'll summarize the day, but tomorrow's gonna be only a half-hour stream. I am going golfing in the morning tomorrow, so we'll stream quick, 30 minutes, and that's it. Yep, I am frustrated. I'm very angry. I'm very pissed off. And it's very easy to go on tilt. It's better to just walk away. I've been there so many times. And honestly, with all the new rules with Apex and all that stuff and all the things that prop firms are coming up with, you know, you can't hedge on evals, so it's harder to pass evals. All this stuff is making me more like, all right, I'm not gonna blow these accounts because I can't just replace them like that. It doesn't work like that anymore. So it's easier to walk away because tomorrow I won't remember that I lost $1,700. I just won't remember. I won't know which account it is because all my accounts are different balances. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go play some golf in my sim. I have hit only for like 20 minutes yesterday because I had stuff to do. I also gotta go to notary, and actually, that's a good idea to go do that now. Where is it? I don't even know where to go for that. Does every bank have a notary? No, right? I gotta sign like papers. So notary, public, notary near me. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.